Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I know I took a little bit of a break, but I am back and I'm bringing you guys another 2-in-1 wig review. Janet Collection recently launched a few new wigs, a part of their Natural Me collection, but these are like a blowout texture. So I got 2 of them. I believe they released 3, maybe even 4, but I have 2 and I'm gonna show you guys those wigs today in this video. Y'all really seem to love when I do 2 wigs in one, so I wanted to do that for you guys again. And the wigs that I'm going to be showing you guys is Janet Collection's CARI, and I have this one in the color DR2 Cinnamon Swirl, and then I also have TIANA, and I have this one in DR2/light ash blonde. So I think I'm gonna start off with CARI. She's a cute little shorty right here. So we're gonna start off with this one and I'm gonna show you guys the cap construction, all of that. Before I start styling these wigs and I give you guys my full opinion, if you like videos like this, be sure to give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and hit that subscribe button if you are not already subscribed to my channel. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into today's video. I'm actually really excited that Janet Collection finally released a blowout texture, a part of this collection. Here is what the model looks like on the stock card. I think that it is a really cute, like effortless wave type of style. Here is what the back of the card looks like, just in case you guys were wondering. And here is what CARI looks like straight out of the box. The color that I have is DR2/Cinnamon Swirl. It's really pretty. It kind of reminds me of Janet Collection D, which y'all know I absolutely love. It has like this really nice like balayage type of ombre look to it, which I really like. The texture feels really, really good. It feels soft. Okay, all right, I ain't mad at it. So as far as the cap construction goes, you get 2 combs on the left and right hand side of the parting space. You get a comb in the back and there are adjustable straps as well. The lace on this unit looks to be a light brown. It does come with short baby hairs and they are blown out. They're the same texture as the wig. Y'all know sometimes these companies be tripping with these baby hairs, but these ones don't look too bad. They're actually pretty short and they feel a little thin even, so that's pretty good. It is already set as a middle part and here's what the parting space looks like. So I'm gonna go ahead and try this wig on. No, I'm not. I don't even have a stocking cap on, girl. What is you doing? Sorry, y'all. It has been a minute since I filmed, so if I am a little awkward, it's because I am. Now we can put the wig on. Ooh. Okay. I mean, wow, this cap is big. Wow. This is a big cap. This is what CARI looks like straight out of the box. I haven't brushed it out or anything. So right off the bat, it is shedding just a little bit. I do think that I'm also going to need to go in with a hot tool because I have like this weird little bump right here. If you guys can see, I don't know if it's supposed to look like that. I don't think so. So I'm going to go to try to, So I'm going to fix that with my hot comb. I think that this style is really cute. It's sitting on me about 12 inches. It's hitting me like right at my clavicle. Let me see if it's like an asymmetrical cut. Actually, it looks pretty blunt. I don't really see much of like an angle going on. So that's good because I know a lot of people don't love that asymmetrical look. And sometimes I ain't here for it either.
Sometimes it really feels like I lose control. Honestly, I can't even find my hole. Cause when you see light, I tend to fade. With city lights and you're in space, and I don't think I'm ever gonna get it
I'm back and I am done styling Carrie, so let's go ahead and get into what I think about this unit. I'm going to start off with the cons. I have very few cons, which is a good thing. The first con being that it does shed just a little bit. It's not excessive and it's not super annoying, but I also really like this wig, so the shedding is not super bothersome to me. Another con that I have is the style, and this is one of those like 2-in-1. It's a pro and it's a con type of thing, because I felt like once I brushed it out, I really wasn't feeling how the curls looked and how the waves looked when they were brushed out. They just looked very irregular. I don't know what word to use, but they just didn't look very uniformed like they do on the model. I don't really mind when curls are going every which way, but there has to still be some type of uniformity to it, and I feel like this one just didn't really have that. But I got it together. I'm really loving, y'all know I love to pull a little strand out over here by my ear, and I love my little clips. I do have links to where I purchased these clips down in the description box, so if you guys want to check those out for yourself. There is a link down there. There's links to just about everything that I use in every single video. They're not affiliate links, so I ain't gonna get paid. I know some people feel some type of way about that, but it's just a link. I'm just trying to help you out, you know what I'm saying? I do like how it's looking right now. I only had to gel down a little swoop right here of my own edges once I pulled this back. I feel like whenever I have a wig that has like an inconsistent style, if I pull one side away from my face and I kind of focus on the side that I like more, I like the wig a little bit more, if that makes any sense. I don't know if it did. So yeah, those are the only cons that I have about this wig. Let's go ahead and get into the pros. Now, the first pro has got to be this cap size. Oh wow. Because I had to go in and adjust the adjustable straps. I put them on like where the tag is, you know, so I was like 3 slots deep, you know what I'm saying? So I was like, wow. And it's still fitting me a little bit big. I could honestly probably go in and secure it a little bit tighter, but I'm not mad with how it's fitting right now. The cap size is amazing if you're a big head girl like myself. You don't even have to have your hair flat with this wig. You know what I'm saying? Like, they really came through for the girls. So another pro that I have is the color. I love it. It's perfect for spring, perfect for summer, now that we're pretty much in the summer months already. I just love this like balayage with the really light tips. It does have a nice like transition from a number 2 at the root to like a number 4, and then this like 33 color down here. I think it's really pretty. It's very similar to Janet Collection's D, like I mentioned earlier. I love that color blend. So if you wanted something that looks like this, even though this says it is cinnamon swirl, I don't know where the cinnamon is, because I feel like cinnamon is red to me, and there's nothing red about this wig. It looks like the balayage 30 color. Another thing I love about this wig is the texture. The texture is bomb. I feel like Janet Collection really got it right. I know that with their curly, more natural styled wigs, a lot of people don't like the texture. They feel like braiding hair, and to be honest, they kind of do. They're a little bit coarse and sometimes a little rough, but this is really nice. I love this texture. It doesn't have like an overwhelming shine. It just looks like really pretty, healthy, natural hair that was blown out and then flat ironed. It looks and feels really good. I love this length. I think that it's perfect for every day. It's perfect for work, going out, even with it being super hot outside. If y'all live in the South, girl, it's so hot. It's like 90 degrees, but I feel like the heat index is like 106, I think. Even with it being super hot and humid down here in the South, and now that we're transitioning into the summer months, I still think that this is going to be a really nice wig to like throw on and go. You're not gonna have to do much with this wig. All I did was add some powder in this deep part, and that was it. I didn't pluck. I did go in with my hot comb. Now be careful, because Janet Collection, like Kai said in her video, is very particular about the degree, but be careful. This unit is heat safe up to 360 degrees. My hot comb in particular doesn't have degrees, it has numbers, so I just put it on number 1. Okay, because I was like, I'm gonna be safe. I'm not trying to burn this wig. And I'm really glad that I didn't, because I actually really like it. I felt like I was gonna like TIANA more, and we'll see. I kind of figured that I was gonna get like mom vibes with this, and I feel like you could depending on what you're wearing, but with this top that I have on, I just feel like I'm about to go to somebody's like party or something. Like, I don't know. I don't go out, y'all. Don't mind me. But I just feel like this is a really cute everyday type of style. I'm not trying to hold y'all any longer. I feel like I could go on and on about this wig, but I'm not. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what Tiana's looking like. I'm pretty sure the cap construction is the same, but I will show you guys that, and then we're gonna go ahead and jump right on into the styling portion, and I'll be back to give you guys my final thoughts and let you know which one I like better if I have a favorite. So yeah, let's go ahead and do that.
Sometimes it really feels like I lose control. Honestly, I can't even find my home. Cause when you see light, I tend to fade with city lights and you're in space, and I don't think I'm ever gonna get it right. I'm drowning underwater, and you're just making it harder. Need to let you go to find myself. Cause I keep on falling, and you're the one watching. Need to let you go to find myself. You are only bringing out the worst in me. Now I really don't know what the best in me is. Cause when you see light, I tend to fade with city lights and you're in space, and I don't think I'm ever gonna get it right.
I am back and I am done styling Tiana, and this is what she's looking like. I have this one in DR2/light ash blonde, and the color is really pretty. I'm not really like feeling this color with this style for some reason. I feel very like housewifey, I don't know, but I do like the style. I think that it is really, really pretty. The cap construction on this wig is the exact same as CARI. You get 2 combs in the front, a comb in the back, as well as adjustable straps. Now, I assumed that this wig was going to be the same size. That was wrong. So I had already gone in and adjusted the adjustable straps. It's not fitting me the best right now, but I didn't go back and unhook the straps. I feel like if I unhook them, it'll feel a little bit looser, but definitely a smaller cap than Miss CARI. That was the first thing that kind of like caught me off guard, because I expected it to be pretty big, but it wasn't. It feels like a normal medium cap size, medium large. As far as how I got this style, now it is set as a middle part, but I was not feeling it. Now the model looks bomb. She looks really good, but I feel like I just didn't like it as a middle part. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna see something, and I switched it to a right side part, gelled down a few more of my baby hairs, and I think that it looks much better. It's giving me like a swoop bang here in the front that I'm living for, because y'all know I love a good bang. And then I just went in with my normal face powder and added that to the parting space. So that was pretty much it. Let's go ahead and jump right into the cons. The first con is that baby girl is a shedder. She is a shedder. I don't know if it's just the color or if it's this wig in particular, but y'all, she sheds, okay? That's pretty much the only con that I have. I'm not getting any tangling. This sits on me about 14 inches. It's coming like just below my like collarbone. So I really like this length. It is nice for every day. This wig is definitely a thicker density than CARI. I forgot to mention that that wig is very lightweight. I wouldn't call it thin. I think that the curls helped with the body, but this wig, I could tell just straight out of the box, it was thicker and fuller, which I don't mind, because I feel like for this length, it's giving it more body. If it were any thinner, it might like fall flat, you know what I'm saying? And you might get more like gaps in the wig, especially here in like the bang, like flowy area. The hairline though, the hairline in the parting space on this wig, I was like, I'm sorry, what? It looks like it's pre-plucked right here, you know, where the part starts. It just looked so good. I didn't have any issues with either wig blending them down with my face powder. I did not adhere either one of these wigs down with any spray or gel. and they are laying pretty flat. And it's looking really good. Like, it's looking really good. I do like how much parting space you get. I like that it is a nice deep part. I didn't have to go in and remove any hairs from the parting space on this one or CARI. I really like how they did the parting space. I wish that CARI was more pre-plucked like this wig, because this wig's hairline, y'all, I know I already said it, but it was looking real good. It was real bomb right out the box, okay? She was not coming to play no game. So I really like that about this wig. Overall, I do like this style. I don't feel like it's giving me what the model is giving, you know what I'm saying? I just got kind of like two big swoops, and it was giving me like Farrah Fawcett vibes. Maybe it's because of the color, but yeah. So this one is okay to me. I do think that I like CARI way better. If you guys don't want to purchase both, I would recommend purchasing CARI. I think that that wig is gorgeous. The color is gorgeous, super cute, very lightweight, easy to style. Both the wigs are easy to style, but I feel like if you were in between which one you wanted to purchase, I would probably lean more towards CARI, but that's just my personal opinion. I really don't have anything else to say about these wigs. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments below. If you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. That really helps out my videos. It tells YouTube that you guys are enjoying the content that I am putting out, so other people can join the fam. We are almost at 3K. I can't believe it. I feel like I just hit 2,000 like a month ago. I know it was more than a month ago, but that's what it feels like. So if you guys are new here and you have made it this far in this very long video, you might as well subscribe and turn on your notifications, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!